this freestanding sets in all of Hollywood. Yes, it sounds like good fun. But you know what is not fun, guys? Norman Bates is home at the Cycle House today, looking as fiendish as ever. Normally, I would say we would stop off for autographs, but from what I understand, Normie here likes to sign in blood. So we're just going to kind of cruise on by. Try to make eye contact. Oh dear, someone did it. Great, thanks. All right, we're going to move on into another fantastic set. The incredible Crash Site. Steven Spielberg's version of War of the Worlds. In theaters back in 2005, starring Tom Cruise, Dakota Fanning, and Tim Robbins.
The airplane Crash Site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you
Come close to them. Robbie, get in.